Okay? So, ayan, a diver whose weight is 735 Newton is posed at the right of a diving board whose length is 3 meters. No? Haba nito is 3 metro. The board has negligible weight, ibig sabihin, hindi natin i-consider yung weight ng board. No? And is bolted down at the left while being supported by a 1.2 meter away by a fulcrum. Ito yung fulcrum, no? Ito yung bolt, kumbaga, nakapako dyan yan, no? Determine the force FB. So, ito yung in-explain ng force ni bolt. And yung FF naman dito, hindi frictional force, no? Force ni fulcrum, no? That the bolt and the fulcrum exert on the board. No? So, let's try solving it in my own way, no? Ito yung way of the module, no? Try natin yung aking explanation. Obviously, no? So, ito yung ating tao, no? Yan. Kung i-analyze mo, yung bigat ng tao, or i-analyze natin, yung bigat ng tao is going down, obviously, no? So, yung bolt, no? Papasahin niyo pag ito nagtatry siya tumalon or what, parang mag-arch ng konti ito no? Parang gaganyan, no? Parang magaganon siya. No? Kung ayan ay realistic, no? Yung board, medyo paling na ganyan, no? Yung fulcrum ngayon, it is the kumbaga siya yung responsible in the normal force, no? In which yung normal force ito yung force ni fulcrum, no? Then yung bolt naman, syempre siya rin yung bigat, no? Let's say ito yung FB. Okay? Now, dalaway unknown natin, FB and FF, no? So obviously, like last time, sinasabi ko sa inyo, if you are to find normal pivot point, kung magpa-pivot point tayo dun sa at least isang unknown para makuha natin yung one unknown, ma-cancel out tong isang unknown. Ano ba sinasabi ko? So let us say this point is point A, no? Yan, point A to. So the summation of torque at point A must be equal to 0. Pasensyahan nyo na rin at ang gamit ko ay mouse, no? So, same naman ang sulat ko yan. Pangit talaga akong sulat, no? Yan. So, yung torque na to, torque na maarte. So, therefore, 0 is equals to F1 times distance 1 plus F2 times distance 2 plus and so on and so forth, Fn and distance n. Ibig sabihin, kung 10 million man yan or 5 lang yung ating forces na active, you have here yung add niya yan, no? The summation torque at point equal to 0. So let's try it, no? 0 is equals to FB multiplied by 0. Bakit 0? Kasi sa point A, yung layo ni FB is 0. No? So therefore, kahit ano pa yung force in-apply ni FB, kahit 1,000,000 Newton pa yan, kung multiply natin sa 0, the result will be 0, no? So 0 yung kanyang torque dito, no? Plus F2 dito. Ano yung magiging F2 natin? Ito yung force ni fulcrum. Ito, no? FF times the distance 2. Etong distance from this point up until this point, no? Let's say ito yung pula. This point up to this point. Yan. Ang distance nun, obviously, is 1.2 meter. No? We'll have here 1.2 meter. But wait, ano yung kanyang sign? Is it positive or negative? Kung papansinin natin, if I were to pivot here in the bolt A, no? Itong point A na to, sundan ko to, no? Ito yung ating value, no? Ito yung 1.2 meters. Kung susundan ko yung force due to the fulcrum, ano yung magiging ikot? That will be counterclockwise. No? Counterclockwise siya. No? Pag counterclockwise, that is positive. Tama? No? So therefore, we will have here a positive value sa F. Okay? Malinaw sana yan, ha? Next. Sunod, we have here yung final na force na in-apply yung tao. Plus F2 P, sinabi ba yung bigat ng tao? That is 735 Newton. So we will have here 735 Newton. 735 Newton multiplied by the distance. Ano yung distance from the bolt? From this one up to this one, that is 3 meters, no? 3 metro daw yan. Ito, no? So, therefore, it is 3 meters. But wait, no? Ano ba yung sign niya? Positive ba or negative? Sundan natin, mga idol, no? Yan. Ito yung 3 meters. Sundan ko. Uy, clockwise rotation. So, therefore, that is negative, no? So, therefore, this should be negative in value. Okay? So, we will have here, yan. So, we will have here FB is equals, or rather, cancel out si FB, you know? Cancel out yan. We will have here F is equals to 735 multiplied by 3 meters over 1.2. No? Through algebraic manipulation, no? Nilipat to, tapos ito dinivide by 1.2. Ito lalabas na value dyan. No? So, we try it in the calculator. Labas ang mahiwagang calculator. Yan. We have here 735 multiplied by 3 meters. No? Kung gusto niyo ng emulator na ganito, libre to sa YouTube. No? Search niyo lang Casio 570 emulator. Times 3 over 1.2. Lalabas sa kanya is 1837 1837.5 Newton. So we have here 1837.5 Newton. Okay? Next, sunod naman kay FB, no? To get FB naman, pwede naman tayo mag-torque dito, no? At point B naman. Okay? Kung dyan tayo magta-torque, bako lang to. Yan, baba lang natin dito. Yan. Dito naman ako torque sa torque point B. The summation of torque at point B must be equal to 0 again. No? So, we will have here 0 is equals to etong 735, 0 cancel out yan. So, ito naman yung consider ko. 1837.5 multiplied by the distance. Ano yung magiging distance dito? Ito ay 3 minus 1.2. So, therefore, ito ay 1.8 meters, no? Paano nakuha yan? Ito 3 metro, ito 1.2, ito ay 1.8. No? So, therefore, it will be multiplied by 1.8 meters. Okay? Now, yung sign. Tama ba yung sign? Positive ba or negative? Sundan natin. Gawa natin ng tali at paikutin. Mikot. That is clockwise rotation, no? So, therefore, it should be negative. No? Yan. Huwag tayo papalit to, ha? Pag torque ang usapan, yung ikot ang nade-determine kung positive or negative siya, no? Regardless kung pataas siya dito sa free body diagram. Kasi condition to eh, no? Torque yung usapan, no? So, therefore, negative yung ating value dito. Sunod, yung sunod na ating value, that is yung FB na hinahanap natin, no? FB multiplied by 3 meters. No? Bakit 3 meters? 3 meters yung haba nito. From this point up to this point. But wait, ano yung sign niya? Sundan natin. Counterclockwise, guys, no? So, therefore, that should be positive. No? We have here positive sign. Ay, so, therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng FB is equals to 1837.5 multiplied by 1.8 divide by 3. Nabas si calculator. So, that is 1837, ito yung kanina, times 1.8 divide by 3. So, therefore, we'll have here 1102.5 Newton. Okay? That is the same ba? Parehas ba ng ating answer dyan? So, ito. At ito. Tama, parehas, no? Okay. So, ito, kung mapansinin nyo, summation of torques ang ginawa ko, itong kay module natin, ano siya, condition 1 siya. Ito, f of y, para makuha si ff. Okay? Moving forward, example 2.12, no? Diretso na natin, no? So, you can, pwede naman itong i-playback, no? Pag kayo ay nalilito, pwede nyo i-playback, i-upload ko to sa YouTube, no? A horizontal uniform beam at 4 meters long and weighing 150 Newton is supporting a weight of 250 Newton as shown. So, first, what is the tension in the rod T? Ano daw yung tension dito sa rod, tension in the rod daw dito? Yung puwersa dito sa rod na ito. No? Compression of the beam. Ito yung compression ng beam nandito. And the hinge reaction of RH and RHX and RHY. No? Tension in the rod ba to? No? Ito tension in the rod, T. Ito yan, no? Itong cable na to. Ito pala yan, no? Yung compression dito sa beam and yung hinge reaction, ito yung hinge, yung bisagra. Okay? Again, another type of solving, no? Solve natin sa aking paraan. Yan, palaki ko lang itong papel ko. Yan. Yan. So, kung papansinin nyo, meron tayong unknown angle, no? Yan. Ang problema sa mga ganitong common mistakes dito, ay, merong 3, may 3, may 5 dito. Ang ginagawa ng students, tangent agad. Tangent 3/3. Lalabas is 45 degrees. Mali. Mali yan. No? Mali yung ganyang analysis. Bakit? Kasi 3 meters ito from this point up to this point lang. No? From this point up to this point lang. Ito ay 4 meters. No? Binigay ni problem nandito. Ayan, no? 4 meters. No? Huwag papalito, no? Huwag nyo i-recta agad yung mga ganitong angle. So, therefore, para makuha yung angle na to, this angle, that will be inverse tangent of opposite over adjacent. Opposite na 3, adjacent na 4 meters. Ang lalabas dyan, 36.87. Yan. Kung hindi kayo naniniwala, yan, pinutin natin sa calculator, inverse tangent of 3/4. Lalabas dyan is 36.87. Okay? So, therefore, meron tayong angle of 36.87 dito. Yan. Magagamit natin agad dyan. Okay? So, binigay yung force nung, or yung bigat ng rod, no? Hindi daw negligible to, idol. Hindi daw negligible daw yan. Meron daw bigat na 150, no? Again, kung may bigat yung rod, kung 4 meters ito, kunin lang natin yung gitna niya, that will be 2 meters, no? Nandito yung bigat ng rod na yon, no? Represent natin, that will be 150 Newton. Let us redraw, no? Redraw ko ha. Ito yung ating bar, no? Ito yung ating moment arm. Ito yung ating angle, na may angle na 45. Ito yung tensional T. Ito yung 3 meters. At this point, 3 meters to. From this point, meron daw sa baba ay 250 meters. No? Oh, or rather 250 newtons. 250 meters. Tapos, from this point up to this point, may 2 meters. Yung bigat ng rod, that is 150 newton. So, first, kunin muna natin to. No? Mag-torque muna ako at this point. Point A, no? The summation of torque at point A must be equal to 0. So we will have here 0 is equals to 150, no? Itong haba na to 2 meters, no? Tapos ang kanyang rotation is clockwise. So therefore negative, no? So we'll have here negative 150 multiplied by 2 meters, no? Next, minus again, no? Clockwise rotation ay ulit mangyayari dyan, no? Yan, itong 250 clockwise, no? That will be 250 minus 250 multiplied by 3 meters. So lastly, we have here yung tension T, no? Kung susundan natin yung kanyang direction, that is positive, no? Dahil counterclockwise, no? Pero yung T na ito ay nakaanggulo. Ang kukunin natin yung effective Y component niya. Itong si T sub Y, no? To get T sub Y, ito siya. Ito rin si T sub Y, no? To get T sub Y, meron tayong angle. Gagamit tayo ng sine cosine, no? In this case, gagamit tayo ng sine. No? We will have here plus T sine of 36.87 degrees. Okay? Meron ganito. Tapos, multiplied by the distance of this point up until this point. Ano yung distance niyan? That is 4 meters. Okay? To get T, gagamit lang tayo ng algebraic manipulation. Lalabas dyan, 150 multiplied by 2 plus, nilipas si 250 na, magiging positive, 250 multiplied by 3 over 4 sine of 36.87. Dinivide ko by 4 sine 36.87 to para maging solo sa T. No? So we will have here 150. Oh, lagay ko muna tong ano. Lagay ko muna tong yan. 150 multiplied by 2 plus 250 multiplied by 3. Ganyan natin ganito. Yan, para sure lang. Mauna muna niya yung mga yan. Divide by 4 sine of 36.87 degrees. Naka-degree mode tayo, ano? Lalabas ngayon si T na 437.40.5 newton. Okay? Iyon na si tension T. No? Next, we should get naman si reaction dito, no? Kung ito si T, pababa yung mga yan, paangat dito si T. Itong si A, no? Meron siyang RHX, tsaka ito yung RHY, no? Bubuhat sa figure natin, no? Kumbaga si RHX, ba't may buhat na may papunta dito? Bakit meron papunta dito sa RHX? Kasi si hinge, siya yung lalaban. Kung hindi, itong buong block na to or buong rod na to, papasok sa loob yan, no? So therefore, kailangan labanan ni hinge. Ito yung RHX, no? Si RHY naman, para hindi bumagsak yung ating, para hindi bumagsak yan, no? Kumbaga, hindi siya magkaganto. Hindi siya, pwede ba rotation ka, no? Ay, hindi. Hindi siya gumanto yung parang, bags ko niya, no? Kumbaga, magre-return siya dito, hindi siya babagsak, no? So, to get this RHY, kunin naman natin si RHY kasi si RHX hindi natin makukuha sa torque. Kasi, parallel siya, no? So, kunin natin to. Itong si RHY, no? Yan. Copyin ko lang to ulit. Yan. Copyin ko lang dito. No? So, we will have here the summation of torque, the summation of torque at point B must be equal to 0. Dito naman tayo iikot mga lods, no? Yan. Let's redraw this one. No, ito na lang natin to. Ito, kunin natin. Yan. Kunin din natin to. Same yan eh. Yan. So, mangyayari, ito, tanggalin lang natin tong P. Kasi maging 0 yung mga yan. No? Kasi dito tayo iikot. Yan, dito tayo iikot. No? Let us find the distances of this, no? Itong 3 meters hindi natin magagamit dahil from this point yan, di ba? Kung 3 meters ito, this should be 1 meter, no? Ito yung mga kailangan natin. Ito, magiging 2 meter din, no? Tapos, si RHY, ito, RHY, that is 4 meter ang layo. Di ba? Yan. Ito, 1 meter to, ha? Tanggalin ko to, hindi rin magagamit to. Okay? Yan. Okay, the summation of torque at point B must be equal to 0. No? You will have here 0 is equals to 250 multiplied by 1 meter. Ang layo nito, no? Ayan, 1 meter yan. Multiplied by 1 meter. Teka, ano ba yung sign niya? Positive ba or negative? Drawing ulit. Pak, pak, ganyan. Paikutin. That is counterclockwise. So, therefore, positive. No? So, therefore, positive yung ating value dyan. No? Yan ay positive. Next, plus ba? No? 150 multiplied by 2 meters. 2 meters yung haba nito. No? 2 meters. Tapos, ano yung orientation niya? Ano ba yung sign niya? Paikutin ulit. Ikot. Yan. Sundan si 150. That is counterclockwise pa rin. That is positive, mga idol. No? Lastly, we have here, stop ko lang yan. We have here yung RHY. From this point, 4 meters. Pag pinaikot ko, that is clockwise. So, therefore, negative. No? Negative RHY multiplied by 4 meters. So, ang lalabas, we have here RHY is equals to 250 multiplied by 1 plus 150 multiplied by 2 divided by 4. No? Yun si RHY. Lalabas si value, that is 250 multiplied by 1, still the same, plus 150 multiplied by 2 over 4. Lalabas si RHY na 137.5. Okay? Now, to get naman yung RHX, hindi tayo makapag-torque dahil hindi naman iikot sa X component, no? Nasa Y yung mga forces natin na umiikot. To get this, drawing lang natin yung free body diagram niya, no? Ito yung tension T, ito yung 36.87 natin, no? Ito yung ating C compression, no? C. At this point tayo mag-drawing, ha. Dito tayo, ha. Nandyan, ha. Ito siya. No? Si C equals siya sa RHX. Bakit? Kasi sila yung magkokontrahan dito, no? Ayan. Ito si C, ito si RHX, no? Sila yung magkokontrahan dalawa. So, therefore, sila ay equal parehas, no? So, therefore, pag nakuha natin si C sa si RHX, makuha natin yung value na yan, no? Yung pababa, ano ba yung value natin pababa? That is 150 tsaka 250. So, therefore, meron tayong 400 dito, no? Now, ang kailangan lang naman natin is X component. The summation of forces acting on the X must be equal to 0. So, we will have here C, or 0 is equals to positive C, positive dito, minus T cosine, no? T cosine of 36.87. Meron tayong T, no? Meron tayo. So, therefore, C is equals to T. Ano ba yung nakuha nating T value? That is 47.5. Ito, no? Yan. Yan. So, C, 47.5 cosine of 36.87 degrees. So, we will have here 437.5 multiplied by cosine of 36.87 degrees. Lalabas is almost equal to 340, 350 Newton. Okay? Mapansinin nyo, same yan. No? Pag hindi, edi bobo, prop nyo. So, we have here ito. Yan natin. Yan, 350, no? Ayan, for C. No? Same. So, we have here 137 KRHY. Ito pala, 47 C, 350. Pansinin nyo, parehas ang value, oh. RHX tsaka 350. Tapos, si RHY is 137.5. Okay?